You have the girl a coach. Why you want to be around your kids? Your kids, you're provoking. And I care zero. You're provoking. Very provoking. Any old Rosealee was my sister, you could have come to Jake's. Jake's would have to meet up on the main road. I mean, now ask you. Or when Rosealee, they behind the grill like Bujo, or Beanie, not Beanie, or my man, the Ninja Man. Me I got jerk you like chicken. Me now ask you. Me personally, I stone you out. Me and Jake's every day I forgot it. All I know, everybody I go down. Everybody and their mama I go down. Me not ask no question. Me I go say something. And everybody may look at me as a hypocrite, but that is fine. I will stand in the gap of hypocrisy if I saw no deal me. I want Rosealee you learn a lesson, but another way I did want to learn the jail lesson. Me never want to learn the jail lesson that way yeah. I mean that your mother them come out and talk say, oh Nessa wicked because Nessa make Rosealee get locked up. It must traumatize the kids. That's why I tell you this every day, you know. When them come and talk about picnic and it's for the kids, I always tell them say them are wicked and liar, you know. I always tell them say them people here are some judgment. Them people are some wicked and liar them. But it's for the kids. Jake's a liar. When Jake's used to talk about for the kids, Jake's a liar too. Nobody cares about the children. And the children don't even care about the parents. Yes, I'm not staying with you long, so I just want to wrap up this quick. Yeah? Me not care if she come out or she in there, you know. I don't care. That is not my business. That is not my business if she's in or out. That is not my business. Always bear that in mind. You get me? But one thing I say, when Rosealee, Jakes, you better run. You better run, Jakes. Run, Jakes, run. Jakes now, then want to Jakes woman Alia. Then which part Cheryl fly? Cheryl just at ATM. Oh. Yeah. Where am I going to run? I don't know. When Rosealee come, I'm out, I go boss. I'm out, I go boss. Mr. Me, you say Judge Uncle Isaac. You say Judge Uncle Isaac and angle him up. The judge upon TikTok. She be moved that now? Huh? Before move and show me underneath. All I know, Jakes knows Rosealee have in belly bottom. Sometimes you creep, take your time and creep. Jakes know Rosealee have in belly bottom. Jakes run because all we know go so Rosealee I go say go so. I'm sorry for you, Jakes. In other house they shall not lay down in peace. They shall lay down in wrath. 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 Yeah. Yeah, you shall not lie in peace. Maybe don't talk. I'll keep Rosealee I come for you too, you know, you could have do a little more. Rosealee I come for you to everybody and their mama Rosealee gonna take down. Yeah. Everybody and their mama. All who go basic school and infant school and the school of hope. Yeah. Everybody. You see, this is what I said, you know. You see, sometimes in life when you dig hole, dig a hole. Because me say another way Rosealee should get the jail time. Another way, yeah. Another way, yeah. Cause she don't work on it, you know. Another way, yeah, man. When you do it that way, man, too much people are going to be incriminated. Another way, yeah. Another way here. Trying to make Rosealee call up nobody name, you know. Because you're going to hear everything fall back on Nessa. Another way, yeah. Yeah, man, I just time you see with impatience. I just that, man. Another way, yeah, man. Because I'm not in a lie. Rosealee get the punishment and I don't feel sorry for her and I don't feel excited about it. On a serious note. You know, sometimes I say, you know it look bad, but at least you're going to learn a lesson. I can't say that. I don't know. I can't rejoice over this. And I can't feel bad over it either. Me not lie. No man, I never that way. Go and do that. When I tell people say son, people when I tell you no, avoid some people. You see? You see you have the sky and the big one a war, are people who attach themselves to one another for find out information. You notice how them class me upon the app and talk how much stay. Him not friendly, him can't tame, him can't this, him can't come and tell you the truth. This is what lie does. This is what lie does. This is what lie does. No unity, we're a friend, we're this, we're that, we're blah blah. And when disagreement come, whether me and you cuss over the lipstick, you gonna hear how much things me do, how much things you know about me. You draw file and docket and hospital and clinic. Stay away from dirty dogs. When you see Nessa come on the program, do not friend Nessa. Do not friend Nessa. Do not friend her. Leave internet people alone. Them not good. Them are germs. Them are crosses. Them are obia. People are going to chat you after chat you. You're putting yourself out there for persons to talk about. You want to be a topic and a content. You're going to walk on everybody's life like they should agree with everything. No, we not agree with nothing where you do. You have the girl at court. Why you want to be around her kids? You have the girl in court. Why you want to be around her kids? You're provoking. And I care zero. You're provoking. Very provoking. Any old Rosealee was my sister, you could have come to Jake's. Jake's would have to meet up on the menu that I now ask you. Or when Rosealee they behind the grill like Bujo, or Beanie, not Beanie, or my man, the Ninja Man. Me I got jerk you like chicken. Me now ask you. Me personally I stone you out. Me and Jake's every day I forgot it. Me, Jake's and Marcia, I forgot it. And me now ask you. You have to come in. After Brina give your opinion on the whole situation, you go over Brina live, you know, and you know, say you're over Brina live, and you did it, and you're in a comment section, and I tell people this every single day, Nessa, you provoke people to the point where, me not in the life, you think Brina nice, man, Brina will spit in your face, Brina will spit in your face, now play with Brina, you depend everybody live, a state, people are going to give their opinion. People are going to give them opinion. Now come for Brina. Oh. Try to come for Brina. Try your best though come for Brina. Because I forgot to take out papers to me too. I'm going to ask you. Because it's a little tormented spirit. And when I tell people how you stay, everybody are going to give them opinion. The world now going to like you. Going to make your mama love you, Nessa. Going to make your mama love you. The child chat pan fear alive. You gone over there like you put on a buzzer on the internet for anybody calling him in a disagreement. You jump, you get the notification. He's a troublemaker. Yeah man, he's a nastiness. He's a nastiness. You gone over Brina. Make people talk. People are going to give their opinion. Go make your mama love you. Go and make your mama love you. Me say one thing, me sorry Rosealee never chop out your nastiness. And that me sorry. I just that me sorry. Rosealee never ox out piece of you. You walk us cover the internet and when me tell people, this is what you do. This is what you do. Look how much people chat me on live. You see me over everybody live. I look who chat me. Them supposed to chat me. Me go wash out the stain them out of your nasty drawers. You have to creep. Me personally, I stone you out. Me and Jakes every day I forgot it. Me, Jakes and Marcia, I forgot it. I mean, I ask you, you have to creep, come in. You have to creep. Me now ask you. So when everybody sit down on the app, they are hypocrite. Everybody will sit down on the app and celebrate with their hypocrites. You know why? All of them are turn on sorry for Rosealee. All of them are going to turn on and sorry for her. And flip her quiet her. The war wouldn't done. And it's just the truth. You do everything for the internet. Nothing hurts. You see all the people where you take out and boy you traumatized. Nessa, me never know you a girl will work yet. Cause you live on the net, you must be self-employed. You live on the net. I don't know if you working or having a job. Because every time the light is on, I care what time you're on. So all you mean Rosealee make you lose a lot of money and you're scared to come out of your house. You stated that you're scared to come out of your house, but yet still they end up as seed you around the girl kids and her baby father. But you're putting in the statement that you're scared to leave your house because a lot of threats are sent to you. People now understanding that is why I say leave the community alone. That's what you came on my program and you said that digital footprint did it. You're scared because you said numerous threats, but you're walking into the threats. So, you're scared that you're there on the girl picnic and man in our community. If you know my shop is practically in front of our yard. And you're scared. And that is why you take out the papers on her because threat. Make it make sense of that party I want to know. Make it make sense. You see, sometimes in life, I'm going to tell you the truth, Nessa. You are such a demonic individual. I can tell you, and this is of no hate or anything, but you're such a demonic individual to the point where you see your mistake or your error in your side and you don't want anybody to see it now point it out to you. But let me say this to you, Nessa. You see, in life, may I tell you something? It's when you plan wickedness in your heart against even your enemy. Just don't you ever plan wickedness against those who hurt you. Make karma reach them because everything is written in the book, in the record of heaven. Everything right down in the record book. You never know every single thing. But it's when you plan to do wickedness to somebody, maybe tell you something about life. Sometimes you're innocent, you know. But yesterday, you see the vengefulness where you have in your heart. You see the vengefulness where you have in your heart. It block mercy. It block mercy. And I'm telling you the truth. You see, because you perceive this in yourself and say you're going to hurt the individual in order to make Ogia's stipend feel good, trust and believe it is going to backfire. The lady never, say Rosealee not hurt you all now, Nessa. May I tell you what is the problem? You say, you and Cheryl tied so, and Cheryl take Jakes. That is why you're doing every single thing. But others don't see it, But let me just say this to you, my baby. You may not have to believe what I say. But it's when your time comes, my friend. Don't look for even pity. You never know. That is why I couldn't side with you. Because this is not your war. This is not your war. You see, if this was your war, me that agree with you 100%, honestly to God. Me that day in your corner. Me that day in your corner, Nessa. But I'm going to say this to you. Rosealee has done nothing to you than when you come out and complain about Roger and never get nothing. And Cheryl pay the liar for you, You think you have the liar money? Cheryl I go strain, you know. Cheryl I go strain is Cheryl I pay the liar. Cause if you had the money, Roger, Stewie and everybody else would have under your regime up to now. Why you attack Rosealee? And you have bigger fish to fry. You never attacked that, but you attacked Rosealee. Make it make sense. The war is not yours. It is for Cheryl. It's not your war. And I can't agree with you upon this. I cannot. I cannot. This is what you call Judasism, where you sell out your sister for 30 pieces of silver. You never know. You sell out your sister. Yeah. And this is why I don't gravitate to most persons on the app, because it's the one who smile with you betray you. And that's why your time saying, if you ever live till you're old, me I tell you what gonna be a problem. You are gonna just walk, and people are gonna tell you that you're gonna walk till you forgot to put yourself together, Nessa. No, it's true. You're packed with demonic entities. Demonic spirit pack you up so till it's not funny. It's not even funny. You never know. And that is why I couldn't side with you. So when everybody has said Rosealee deserve it, oh yes. Oh yes, she deserve it. Oh yes, believers, she deserve it. But not in this fashion. I can't sit down here and say, yeah man, anything she gets, no, I'm not going to do that. Because the whole of we are live by grace. All of we are live by grace. You see, the child has self-destruct and you have an ulterior motive because you collect $100. It's wickedness. Me not care nobody wants to say it's wickedness. And you see who feels it, knows it. Me not wicked to the point where me can't analyze the situation and know say, Nessa, fight for your own self, fight your own battles. Don't fight nobody else's battles. Me can't not look through it like that. Honestly, I am not in agreement with this. I am not in agreement with this. Me nah lie. Rosealee deserve everything and more. And a matter of fact, this 2 mile where she get. This is 2 mile. 2 mild, man. Yeah. But you see, you jumping up and doing this to the individual, trust and believe it's not a good look. It's never a good look. Never you fight a girl for get a man for get to somebody else. Never you do that. Your son have his right father. I wonder why. Jake said that he's disappointed in the fact that he never fight Rosealee. Jake is looking at show. Nessa, you are a prop. You are a prop. Here, Jake seems disappointed in you that you never fight Rosealee. You are a prop. You see when I talk, people might think I'm harsh. I mean, I know me attack say, but remember what I said. Remember what I said. You remember what I said? I said Rosealee should have chopped out your face because you go look for a man who couldn't protect you. He can't even protect himself, much less to protect you. He would have to take up the stove on the main road. Me that obstruct traffic, the stove would have a lane for itself until Jake's come. You see it? But you see, uno sit down on the app and uno say, yay, bay, ray. Me not depend that. Me not depend that. That is not what I'm here for. Everybody would have liked all of the people.